I want to never stop being fascinated by clouds forming and how the colors of beautiful endings blend oh so effortlessly. I want to sink my feet beneath the earth and feel the breath of life in the crevices of my feet. To feel the sun glowing for the stage and wind guiding us to some fairy tale. I want to experience summer rain, an unexpected gift in the midst of the summer air. Well, this desire in connecting with the world is a part of the biophilia hypothesis. The biophilia hypothesis is coined by a man named Edward O. Wilson, which states that humans are genetically predisposed to be attracted to nature, and that we all have an innate tendency to seek connection with nature. And I, Evelyn, think that this hypothesis is correct. Why you might ask? Well, hold up. Take a deep breath and look at these pictures. Feel better? Well, if you are, then you're part of the 95% of people who feel better while looking at or being in nature, according to a study from Mind. If you're not, then congrats, I guess you're the unique one. A study published in Scientific Reports found that through examining 19,806 people and collecting and comparing their moods for a week when they don't go outside and a week when they do, found that with at least 120 minutes of nature contact per week, the likelihood of reporting good health and well-being becomes significantly greater. Look at the graph. The increase in likelihood in 120 minutes is insane. Not just this, there are numerous studies that have been found that support the idea that our body requires nature to survive. After all, we all started from nature. We gain food from nature, we grow flowers, we have pets, and without realizing it, we have been a mutually beneficial relationship all along. Wait, so you're telling me that we're never single? But Evelyn, it's not like we have an innate tendency to seek nature. It's not like we are predisposed or wired to go to nature. Well, for that, I want you to view it like this. Our tendency to seek nature isn't just because it is absolutely mind-bogglingly beautiful, but it's also a survival instinct. Humans have 3 types of survival instincts, which are self-preservation, sexual, and social. The self-preserving instinct in us forces us to seek connections with nature since we need to survive. We need it as our supply bank and to calm our minds. It's not an option anymore. It's our instinct to love nature since it gives us so many resources. Even when we are small, we can see connection between babies and their pets. Aw, look at that. Okay, Evelyn, back to the video. This small connection that babies have before they learn anything in their life. The fact that they connect and have the tendency to love animals show that we are wired with love and care for other organisms, for other living beings. Okay, one more thing about babies. Did you know that nearly all pediatricians recommend spending increasing time outdoors with infants for the many health benefits? Since babies, we are wired to go to nature since our biology needs it. But it's still, our genes doesn't tell us to do this. It's not like our DNA is telling us to connect with nature. To that, I say, well, yeah, but if phobias and fears have been proven to be passed down through families and genetics, then why can't we pass down a love for nature and our environment? Definitely more research needs to be done for this hypothesis to be 100% correct. But so many evidences have proven that we humans do have an innate tendency to seek connection with nature since our biology requires it. So, for now, it's time to go outside! I know online school is tough for all of you and 8 hours isn't good for you. So, go outside!